electrode chamber with the salt water, so it's conductive. This has a specific name that I can't think of, but the gas will drip into this water and it'll fill up here and go out this tube here. So that way it doesn't go back and explode in this chamber where the gas is being made. I'm gonna put it all together and we'll see how well it works with only 4, and then multiplying it by 2 will give us more or less double the product. All right, there we go. See, it's producing quite a bit. I guess it still hasn't started to swap it out. Yeah, it works. Let's see. Put a pause to that right now and get a bag. All right, there we go. It's producing gas again. It should slowly start to inflate. Geez, I can't speak. Should slowly start to inflate this bag. I'll, replay the video once it gets closer. All right, look at that. That bag is almost filled, so I think it's about time for a test. Y'all ready for this? Oh, let me get that lighter out the way. That wasn't that bad. I got scared for nothing. But yeah, that's prototype 1 for the hydrogen oxygen generator. At some point I might make a more advanced one. Why did I start talking different there? Where it separates the hydrogen and the oxygen. But this was a pretty cool experiment nonetheless.